Hello and welcome. Today I'll demonstrate how to convert 3MF format to USDZ using MiConvert's free online tool. Let's begin. Start by searching 3MF to US converter on Google. MiConvert.com should appear as one of the top results. Click to open it. This is the dedicated 3MF to USDZ conversion page. The tool supports batch conversion and maintains quality during the process. To begin, click Choose File to open the file browser. Locate your 3MF file, select it, and confirm by clicking Open. The file has been loaded successfully. You can verify the file name and size here. When ready, click Convert Now to proceed. The conversion engine is processing your file. The progress indicator shows the current status. Please wait a moment. Excellent. The conversion is complete. Click Download to save the resulting USDZ file to your local drive. Thank you for watching. For more file conversion tools, visit MiConvert.com. Please subscribe to our channel for future tutorials.